Hi dears, how are you all? Today we can learn a new chapter, chapter 3, Movements of Earth. This is very small chapter and we can see what are the main contents of this chapter. The main subheadings of this chapter are movements of the earth, rotation, revolution, and we can learn each one. Okay, let us start. Yes, before starting our class, I want to ask one question. We all know that we are living in our planet Earth and Earth is always moving. But we can't feel this movement of Earth, right? I repeat, Earth is moving. If it is moving, why we not feel this movement? We can't feel this movement of the Earth. Why? What is the reason behind it? Think about that. This is because the Earth takes the same speed for moving. The Earth moves in a constant speed. That is the reason why we not feel this movement. For example, if you are traveling in a car, suddenly driver takes a sudden brake, then what you feel? Yes, the car takes a shake. And not only the car, but those who are sitting inside the car also feels that movement, right? This is because the speed is changed. Before you are moving in a constant speed or same speed, suddenly there is a brake of the car, or when you stop the car, then you feel that movement. Like that, the earth is always moving in a constant speed, same speed. Okay, and if the earth increase in speed or if the earth decrease in speed, then we can feel that movement. But the earth is always moving in a constant speed. Then another example, if you're traveling in a flight, then at the starting time we can feel some shakings. Then after that we feel that flight is not moving like that. I feel like that. Do you feel like that? The flight is not moving. Why this so? It is because after some time the flight takes the constant speed, same speed. That's why we can't feel the movement of flight. So this is the same reason about the case of Earth. Earth is moving and it takes the constant speed. Okay. Understand why we not feel the movement of Earth? I think all of you cleared that. Then movement of the Earth. We already said that the Earth is moving and we can see with the movements of Earth. Actually, the Earth moves in two different ways. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. And we can see what is the difference between this rotation and revolution. Okay, first one is rotation. The earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. For example, take a globe. This is a globe. Huh? And when we spin this globe, what happens? It spins through this axis. See, this is the axis, the two portion. Huh? So the earth spins, the globe spins through the axis. Okay, so the earth also spins about its axis is known as rotation. Okay, the earth spins on its own axis. Earth uses the axis for spinning. That is the rotation. Okay, the spinning motion of the earth is called rotation. And how it spins? It spins through its axis. Okay. Then, what causes day and night? It is because of the rotation of the earth we get day and night. how the rotation of the earth goes day and night. That we can discuss in next class. Okay, so please learn this, please read this chapter first. Okay, and write words to remember in your copy also. Okay, thank you.